Dear students, good morning. Today I will discuss some important properties of triangle. Let's come to the first. This is triangle A, B, C, and this is the I1, I2, and I3, where I1, I2, I3 are the inscribed center and I is the in center of the triangle ABC। तो यहाँ पर देखिए ये एंगल जो होगा ये होगा 180 माइनस बी बाई 2। This angle is equal to 180 minus b by 2, and this angle will be 180 minus c by 2. Let this angle is theta. Therefore, we can write 180 minus b by 2 plus 180 minus c by 2 plus theta equal to 180 in a triangle BCI1. This implies 90 minus b by 2 plus 90 minus c by 2 plus theta equal to 180. And this implies this 90, 90, 180 cancel out, and theta is equal to b plus c by 2. This is equal to 180 minus a by 2. This implies theta equal to 90 minus a by 2. Similarly, therefore, this angle theta is equal to 90 minus a by 2. Similarly, this angle is equal to 90 minus b by 2. Similarly, this angle is equal to 90 minus c by 2. Again, come to the next theory. This is triangle A, B, C, and this is the bisector of angle B, I, and this is the base I1, this is I2, this is I3. Angle IBC plus angle I1BC is equal to, this angle is equal to B by 2 plus this angle is equal to 180 minus B by 2 is equal to 90 degree. So this is the 90 degree. This implies angle I1BI2 is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, this angle is I1C I3. Similarly, angle I1C I3 is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, this angle I1A I2 is equal to 90 degree. So you can say that ABC is a pedal triangle of, so that ABC, triangle ABC is a pedal triangle of triangle I1, I2 and I3. Again, A, B, C. Here is I1, here is, this is I and this is I1. This is I. This is the I. We know that first AI is equal to, this is the AI, from here to here AI is equal to 4R sin B by 2 into sin C by 2, and this is a very important formula and you have to remember. AI1 is equal to 4R cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Third, I1. Third, I1 is equal to 4R sin A by 2, and fourth, I2 I3 equal to 4 R cos A by 2. So this is the fourth main formula. Here I1 is equal to 4R sin A by 2. So you can write I2 is equal to 4R sin B by 2, and similarly I3 is equal to 4R sin C by 2. Again you can write I2 I3 is equal to I2 I3 is equal to 4R cos A by 2. I3 I1 is equal to 4R cos B by 2, and I1 I3 and I1 I2 and I1 I2 is equal to 4R cos C by 2. This is the important formula you have to remember. Now come to the question. Question: in a triangle ABC, I is the in center and I1, I2, I3 are the ascribed center, then prove that I1 into I2 into I3 equal to 16 R square R. Therefore, we should write in LHS equal to I1 into I2 into I3, and I1 is equal to 4R sin A by 2, I2 4R sin B by 2, and I3 4R sin C by 2. This is equal to 4R and 4R, 16R square, and 4R, you can write here 4R, this is the sin A by 2, this is the sin B by 2, and this is the sin C by 2, and this is we know that a small r. So you can write 16r square into r, and this is the proved. Next question. Question number 2. To prove that I1 whole square plus I2 I3 whole square is equal to 16r square is equal to I2 whole square plus I3 I1 whole square is equal to I3 whole square plus I1 I2 whole square. So LHS is equal to I1 whole square plus I2 I3 whole square. We know that I1 is equal to 4r sin a by 2 whole square plus I2 I3 4r cos a by 2 whole square. This is equal to 16r square sin square a by 2 plus 16r square cos square a square by 2. Now we take the common 16r square from both. We get 16r square sin square a by 2 plus cos square a by 2, and this is equal to 1. So we can write 16r square proved. Similarly, we can prove all two things. आप होप ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, और अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है तो इसे लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें।